hot water in the morning. Now I'm awake, fully awake. So today I want to talk about Etsy account I just launched recently, which is not even a week. I want to say that I'm quite upset because they suddenly banned my account, and I was asking them, like, asking for explanation, like why, and they just say no any further explanation or reason. So that is weird. And I checked on other YouTuber, like saying this is not the first time it's happening. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm quite stuck at the moment because I was so excited with this project that's going on, and suddenly just boom, everything closed down. I know as a small business, you don't want, when you don't have that much profit yet, you don't want to just jump into something like pay for monthly thing. So you want to have like this platform which is free for you to use before you upgrade it to the next level. So this is my current situation. Just a little bit of rant this early in the morning.
Yeah! What's happening today? Oh, is that matcha latte? This is matcha latte ceremony. Let's explain to us what is happening today. What is that pot? That is amazing. That is amazing pot. Yeah. You want pot? How many times do you want to go water?
Puncture my tire again, I don't know how many times.
Well,
Thanks.
it's just a slow puncture, and we keep having to pump it every 10 minutes. So we get back, I'll fix it, probably.
Yeah, but you say it'd be hard for you to do it, like
Yeah.
last time.
I'll give it an attempt. So I might just have to take the wheel to the shop again. Alright.
Making my Halloween something. What is it called here?
Hornslow?
Hornslow.
Think before you talk, Lau.
What?
Think before you talk.
Oh dear. So I'm using this clay air dry, so you don't have to bake or anything. Here it says here, ready to use, no need to add water, air dry, can be painted, and also washable. So I'm using this one to paint the horn. Nice color, but I need another layer for it. Yum.
Everybody's here. Holy. Yeah. Jesus. Woo. Oh my God.
cannot. It was like pretty windy last night, and the water is so choppy. And this morning we checked our front cleat. It came off, and he's fixing the road right now. I just helped him just now, but he's still fixing it. Super windy and moving a lot. So we need to fix this. I don't know how long it's going to hold. I can feel it. It's getting weaker. Oh my god. Itchy, I don't think it's okay. I think you're really scraping it now. Oh my god. The wind last night is going to break anytime soon. Hopefully the weather going to die down. Oh, that's so painful.